In this video, watch how I made this using the Rotorazer saw. I'm using the Rotorazer saw because I wanted to make a coffin-shaped bath caddy, and it's not a very big project, so I figured this would be perfect to make all the cuts I needed to make. And to help showcase this more, my handsome boyfriend's gonna help me do some cuts with this. First things first, I got to measure and mark the board. This is the board we're gonna use to make my bath tray. Measured and marked for the bath tray. Let's get cutting.
So here's the adjustable blade guard on the Rotorazer. It's actually really cool. You have all the different depths there to release the blade guard. You gotta push that button down and apply pressure to that platform there. Right now it's set all the way down, but we can move it to wherever we want with that tab flipped up. And when you got it set, you lock it down. See how far down it goes now? It's just barely in there. So that's perfect for this piece of wood we're about to cut. So we're about to let's set it for what we need it. That's pretty good.
There.
Right there. Let's lock it in. All right.
Before we get started, I wanted to show that it also has this dust cleanup. You hook one end to the Rotorazer and the other end goes to our vacuum. And then it keeps the whole shop clean.
All right, we're gonna start cutting. I'm gonna turn the vacuum cleaner on to clean up all the dust and get our Rotorazer going. That out. Now I just have a few more to go. So let's get to cutting.
Now that we have all of our pieces cut, we're gonna get ready to build the rest of it. It cut amazingly. It did all these nice angles, great. And yeah, so watch as we build the rest of this.
Well, that's how it's turning out so far. Now we're gonna attach this with some nails too, just to be extra safe. I'm gonna attach the right side, and we'll see how that goes.
Well, it's almost done. All we have to do is stain it now. I really love it. It was really easy to do, all thanks to the Rotorazer. Got our nice little angles, got all of our little notches. It was really awesome. Thank you, Rotorazer. And now we're going to apply the stain. Well, here's the final product. I really love it. Could not have done this project without Rotorazer. Made an amazing coffin-shaped bath tray. Thank you so much, Rotorazer. It did awesome. It's the saw that does it all. Packs a punch with 4,200 RPMs. 7-in-1 saw. The Rotorazer can replace all these saws. This tile saw, circular saw, band saw, hand saw, miter saw, jigsaw, and a hacksaw. 3 blades that are easy to change, a tungsten carbon blade, diamond blade, and the steel blade. Safety lock, it's got a safety lock, and an adjustable blade guard that can cut up to 1 inch in depth. More features about this Rotorazer is it has a 10-foot power cord. You can buy your very own Rotorazer by going to www.buyrotorazer.com. The Rotorazer was really great for this project. It made it so easy. I give it 5 out of 5 stars. Amazing. And you can buy yourself one at www.buyrotorazer.com. What's your DIY project? Leave it in the comments down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that red subscribe button. It helps us grow this channel for more DIYers just like you. And hit that notification bell so you can get updates whenever we post a video.